How to add mention in Instagram story after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add mention in Instagram story after posting. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Instagram does give you an option to add mentions in story after you have already posted it. How you can do so? You can simply open up Instagram and then head over to your story. Now in my case I don't have any story, but I'll just upload a quick story. So I'll just create this story here real quick, and as you can see I haven't added any mentions here. So once the story is posted, uploaded, in order to add mention, you wanna open up the story and then you wanna tap on the three dots option at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on add mentions option, and then you can add it, or you can search for particular users from here and you can add them here. So this is the way that you can go ahead and add mentions in Instagram story. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.